Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anne. Today I'm going to show you how I cut my own buns in 5 minutes. I know that there are lots of videos about cutting different type of buns, but most of them didn't explain why, and like I always said, everyone is different. The texture of your hair, the length, the width, they all should be different. So I'm going to show you how I cut my blonde buns and the common mistakes to avoid. So let's start. First, you need to part your hair. And then section the hair. Most of you guys already know to make it triangular, but here's the thing. I notice a lot of people only start the part near the hairline, which will only give you a wispy buns. If you want the thick buns, you should start further back, and it will give you layers and make it thicker. My hair is thick enough, so I only start from the middle point. The side of the triangle is used to frame your face, and there are two types of triangles. Take me for example, the top of my head is really wide, so I need to choose the one on the right. Just imagine after you're done. The narrower the triangle is, the thinner the side is. Twist the section twice before cutting. It will give you a nice layer on the side. Instead of using a comb, I clip my buns with a hair clip and then just cut it. That's simple. The scissor I use is a Japanese Conair shear. It's very sharp and very precise. Hold the shear vertically instead of horizontally and soften the bun. My hair is so thick and hard, as you can see from the sideway. Falls right in front of my eye and make my face look even flatter. To add some volume, I use my favorite two-way hair straightener. It is perfect size to curve your buns. After sectioning, I just simply curve it. And I also curve the rest of my hair too to give it a more consistent and natural look. Let me know what is your favorite type of buns. And if you like my video, don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe.